Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to go over how to build your project for submission. So first go to your Unity hub, click on installs, and then go over to the version you're using, click manage, add modules, and scroll down. And first we can disable this Microsoft one here. We don't need that. And then scroll down to web build support. You need to make sure that's clicked and then make sure that is installed. So that's going to take a while to install. I'll come back when that's done. Okay, so once your web install is complete, go over to the Unity that contains your game, click on File, Build Profiles, and then now you should have the web build profile available to you. Web. So you want to switch to this platform. It's going to have to recompile, so that'll take a bit. And once that's done compiling, go to the Scenes List tab. And then this is where you choose which scenes you want to include. So for most people, that will be all of your scenes. So check all of these boxes. Okay, and then now you can go back to the web build, click on player settings. Here you can choose a icon for your game. So here I'll pick a cat icon. And then down here is some more settings that we'll have to go through. So first is the resolution. So here you can pick the height and width of your canvas. So make sure it's a size that your game UI works. And then here we want to leave that as default. And then scroll all the way down to publishing settings. Over here, publishing settings at the very bottom. And then we want to choose gzip for compression format. And then once that's done, you can hit build. And then you want to choose a folder that you want your build to be saved to. Ideally, this is a dedicated folder just for builds, whether that's in your repo or somewhere else. And then it'll have to compile. If this is your first time building, it will take quite a long time to compile. So make sure you leave plenty of time for your project to compile and enough time to make sure that nothing goes wrong. Okay, I cut out a majority of the compilation, but it does take a while, so expect it to take quite a long time. But once that's done, go to the folder that you saved your build to. So in here, and then you should see 3 files. One is your build, one is called template data, and one's called index.html. So you want to select all of these and compress them into one zip file. You can name it whatever you want, and this is the file that contains your game, and you will be submitting this file.